Snags can be recorded on individual projects and properties. This allows you to track each project and property and to see how many snags have been raised for each project or property, as well as a lot of other useful information. Project snags. These are snags in the common areas of projects like building lobbies and communal pools. Snags should be logged directly through the project record page. This will help you to keep track of every repair that needs to be carried out on the common spaces of projects. Property snags. These are snags in the private, non-common area of an individual property. Snags here are assigned to work that needs to be carried out for each property that your company constructs and sells or rents. This will help you to track repair work required on these individual properties separately. Through the list view page for snags, which you can reach by clicking on the Snag main tab, also allows you to track all property snags in any project so that tradespeople who are working on a whole project can be notified on all the snags in their scope of work.